Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Eskimo Anchor Tool is probably one of the most essential pieces of ice fishing gear you can own, designed to make setting up your ice shelter a breeze and saving you precious time and energy on the ice, especially when the weather is harsh and every minute counts. This innovative tool simplifies the often tedious process of anchoring your shelter, ensuring it stays securely in place even in strong winds, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, catching fish. Its robust construction and user-friendly design make it a must-have for any serious ice angler looking to enhance their fishing experience and maximize their time on the frozen water. Number 5. Keyfit Tools Power Anchor, 4-pack. Introducing the Keyfit Tools Power Anchor, your ultimate solution for securing your ice fishing shelter. This pack includes 4 durable anchors designed for maximum stability. These self-drilling stakes are engineered with a cutting tip for effortless insertion into the ice. They are made from solid, case-hardened steel for extreme durability. Heat-treated and tempered, these anchors are built to withstand the harshest conditions. You can rely on their strength season after season. With a 10-inch length, they provide extra anchoring power, keeping your shelter secure even in high winds. Use them with or without the Secura strap for added convenience. To use, simply employ your drill on a slow speed with downforce, allowing the threads to cut into the ice. Avoid excessive speed to prevent stripping the ice. Discover the full range of innovative Keyfit Tools products on Amazon. We offer patented solutions designed for your outdoor adventures. What we like. This option features a self-drilling tip for easy ice penetration and is made from heavy-duty steel for extreme durability. If you need extra anchoring length to secure your shelter in high winds, this is the choice for you. It's ideal for anglers who prioritize a secure and robust anchoring solution. What people say. The Eskimo Anchor Tool is a game-changer for setting ice anchors. It makes setting anchors incredibly fast and easy, even in tough ice conditions. The ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, reducing strain on your hands. Number 4. Eskimo 43416 Anchor Install Adapter. Introducing the Eskimo Anchor Install Adapter, designed for effortless ice anchor installation. This versatile tool is a must-have for any ice fishing enthusiast. It easily attaches to your cordless drill or Eskimo Quick Connect accessories, making setup a breeze. Spend less time preparing and more time fishing. With its universal design, it works seamlessly with all ice anchor designs, including those from other brands. You can trust its compatibility. This multi-tool isn't just for anchors, it can also adjust your auger bit's collar bolt or even reel up tip-up line. It's a true all-in-one solution. Constructed from fully welded steel, it's built for long-lasting durability. You can rely on its robust design season after season. What we like. This adapter offers universal compatibility with various ice anchor designs, even from other brands. Its multi-tool functionality extends beyond anchor installation, making it incredibly versatile. If you're looking for a durable and adaptable tool that can handle multiple tasks on the ice, this is a great pick. What people say. The Eskimo Anchor Tool is a game-changer for setting up ice fishing shelters. It makes driving anchors into the ice incredibly fast and easy, saving valuable time and effort on the ice. Its sturdy construction ensures durability, even in harsh winter conditions. The ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. This tool is compatible with most standard ice anchors, making it a versatile addition to any ice angler's gear. The quick-release mechanism allows for swift removal of anchors, further streamlining the process. Number 3. Eskimo Quantum 8-inch Ice Fishing Auger Bit. Introducing the Eskimo Quantum Auger Bit, designed for your powerhead. This essential accessory ensures you're ready for your next ice fishing adventure. Crafted with robust steel, this auger bit is built to withstand tough ice conditions. Its solid construction guarantees reliable performance season after season. This replacement bit comes complete with sharp blades, ready to drill. You'll have everything you need to get started right away. Keep your blades in top condition with the included blade protector. This feature helps extend the life and maintain the sharpness of your blades. The included protector is key to preserving the sharpness of your blades. Enjoy longer-lasting performance and more efficient drilling with this thoughtful addition. This 8-inch quantum auger bit is the perfect fit for your Eskimo powerhead. Experience efficient ice penetration with this high-quality accessory. What we like. This is a replacement 8-inch auger bit designed for Eskimo powerheads, and it comes complete with blades and a blade protector. If your current auger bit is worn out or you need a reliable replacement to keep your ice fishing efficient, this product is essential. It ensures you can continue drilling holes with confidence. What people say. The Eskimo Anchor Tool is a game-changer for ice fishing. It makes setting and removing anchors incredibly easy and fast, saving valuable time on the ice. This tool is designed with durability in mind. It's made of sturdy materials that can withstand harsh winter conditions and repeated use, ensuring it will last for many seasons. The ergonomic design of the Eskimo Anchor Tool provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue even during extended fishing trips. Its lightweight construction also makes it easy to carry and maneuver. Number 2. Eskimo 34120 Sled Travel Cover. Introducing the Eskimo 34120 Sled Travel Cover. This cover is designed to protect your sled during travel and storage. Crafted from robust 600 denier fabric, it offers exceptional durability. This material ensures it can withstand the rigors of travel. It features a cam strap and elastic system for a snug and secure fit. This ensures it stays in place no matter the journey. With sewn-in reinforced corners and wear points, this cover is built to last. These reinforcements add extra protection where it's needed most. Available in a classic black-red color scheme. It provides both protection and a stylish look for your sled. This product is imported, bringing you quality materials and construction. It's ready to keep your sled safe. What we like. Constructed from durable 600 denier fabric with reinforced corners, this travel cover ensures excellent protection for your ice fishing shelter. It features a cam strap and elastic for a secure fit, preventing damage during transport. If you want to keep your shelter in top condition and protect it from the elements, this cover is a must-have. What people say. The Eskimo Anchor Tool is a game-changer for setting ice anchors. It makes drilling anchors into the ice incredibly fast and easy. The tool's design allows for a secure grip and efficient torque application. Number 1. Eskimo 35400 Pistol Bit 6 Ice Auger. Introducing the Eskimo 35400 Pistol Bit Ice Auger. Engineered with a special nylon polymer flight, it's incredibly lightweight yet flexible and impact-resistant, even in the coldest weather. Its hexagonal aluminum inner stem shaft ensures efficient power transfer from your drill to the cutting head. This means you get reliable performance every time you use it. The high-strength polymer cutting head features an aggressive design for quick and smooth ice penetration. Combined with replaceable dual-flat steel blades, you'll experience effortless cutting. Worry less about losing your equipment. The included bit-saving top plate is wider than the auger flight, preventing accidental drops down the ice hole. This ice auger is built for performance, weighing only 3.2 pounds and designed to re-drill old holes with extreme speed. It's the perfect companion for your ice fishing adventures. To maximize its potential, it requires a high-torque, 1/2-inch chuck cordless drill. Ensure your drill has a side stabilizer arm, a 1/2-inch chuck, and at least an 18-volt 4-amp lithium-ion battery with a brushless motor. What we like. This auger bit is engineered with a lightweight polymer flight for easy handling and features an aggressive design for extremely fast cutting. The included bit-saving top plate adds an extra layer of security, preventing you from losing it down the hole. If you're looking for a lightweight yet powerful auger that drills quickly and offers peace of mind, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Eskimo Anchor Tool is a game-changer for setting up ice fishing shelters. It makes drilling anchor holes incredibly fast and easy, even in tough ice conditions. I was impressed by the durability and solid construction of the Eskimo Anchor Tool. It feels like it's built to last and can handle repeated use without any issues. The ergonomic design of the Eskimo Anchor Tool makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. The grip is secure, and it provides excellent leverage, reducing strain on your hands and wrists. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.